Walk into my garden. I'm gonna be showing you guys something. Go over here and boom! Probably haven't seen this one in my house before. But yeah, basically, I have a ton of Nerf guns and stuff. This is the Stampede. I think it's the Stampede. Basically, in this episode, I'm already showing off all my Nerf guns, and yeah, so basically, these are some of them aren't Nerf guns, some of them are like cool, or like different types of guns. They're not all Nerf guns. Basically, I have a ton of guns all over. Yeah, I'm trying to see what I can do with the water squirter, Nerf water squirter. Sits down so you guys can see it. I might be selling some of these. I do not know. None of these are really appealing to me. I don't find them cool things in the world, but I sure can do a good job. You know what I'm saying? And yeah. So basically, we have a palette. And it's pretty nice down here, I gotta admit. It's like 90, maybe 100 degrees out right now. Yeah, I have some of the older guns and stuff. So, yeah. I don't know what you guys think about all these guns. You guys are wondering what I'm going to do with it. I don't know what you guys think I should do with it, but yeah, I have a lot of Nerf guns, and I kind of just wanted to show them off. I kind of did a lot of the music thing in my other channels. I have one other channel, the Gavin Record. It's a random name I just thought up. My real name. Still gonna be hidden for a while. Not reveal it. Maybe I can tell them because of how I like though. And yeah, I'm just thinking, why not? Why not? Yeah. Just teleport back out here. Ooh. Oh, I had to go fast. And yeah, basically, this is a, like I said, I kind of already showed off my house. And yeah. And sorry if some of these videos are being posted on the same day. And I said 2 rocks on my Gavin Becker channel. And, yeah. 3. And yeah, basically, this is my town area. So yeah, see all you dudes in the next video. I might do another one with my friend.